Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the accounts. As you can see, under it we've got whole Google section, and of course we can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts, so let me tap on it and let's tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so you can use the mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got all the info you need. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, here we've got our newly added Google account, so everything went fine. Of course, we can remove it whenever you want to, and as I said, you can do it using the Google section or just from this level. Just tap on the Google account and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you will have the for example, the password or the pattern, then your device may require you to enter it to confirm. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the step where we can add the account, but after getting back, you can see that our previously added Google account simply disappeared. So actually, this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account from your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.